it's Ashley. Welcome back and welcome to the Tags of Appreciation Inspiration Hop. You will be able to find the next stop on this hop in my description below. There will be a link, and if you just click on that, you'll get to the next one. If you make a $20 minimum purchase from Trinity Stamps during the holiday season, you will get one of these tags. Now, it's random which one you will get, but our design team has lots of inspiration using many different tags. For today, I'm going to be using this ornament die tag. So I went ahead and die cut out and adhered the little tops to a whole bunch of these ornaments in different shades of red cardstock. I will also be using this paper pad right here. This is the Holiday Trimmings paper pad just released from Trinity Stamps. It's a slimline paper pad, double-sided. I love it. I love how it's a little bit rainbowy, a little bit traditional Christmas, everything that you will need wrapped up into one paper pad. And I will have links below to all the products that I've used in this video. Next, I will be using the Slimline Series Hip to Be Square die right here, and I will be using that on a black glitter cardstock. I'm going to be creating a shaker card. So off camera, I went ahead and laid down some acetate and then some foam tape on top to create the base for the top of the shaker card. If you don't have acetate that's long enough, you can always cut it down and glue it in between the lines. You could also use old clear packaging if you have that's not too marred up or anything like that. It would work just fine, and I've used that before. So something else that I decided to do with this is to lay down some adhesive across in the middle, some foam adhesive, 2 long strips. So it's almost breaking it up into 3 long skinny quadrants, and that will keep all of my embellishments kind of in those channels. You could skip that and just let them be free in the whole area. That would be just fine, but I wanted to make sure that when somebody has it and they're shaking it, that there are embellishments kind of in each area and not just sinking to the bottom. So now I'm going to remove my adhesive, and if you are afraid to stick your base on top of this, if you're worried about getting it down straight, you can always lay down some liquid adhesive on top of your foam adhesive, and that'll give you a little bit of wiggle room, a little bit more time to make sure you get it centered and straight. So now you can see how that looks. All the embellishments are staying within their own channel. They're not all sinking to the bottom. So that's something that you could definitely try with your next shaker card. So next I'm taking those ornaments and gluing them down where I want them. I'm going to put the sentiment in the middle, so I want these to frame the sentiment. Next I'm taking some vellum and I'm going to stamp out my sentiment, which is "No place like home." When I'm working with vellum, I like to use a stamping platform. I ended up using VersaFine and using clear embossing powder over the top to heat set it. So now I'm using a vellum adhesive tape runner to get that to adhere down. You could also take some more of these ornaments and kind of anchor those on some points on top of the sentiment, not over the words of course, but to help hold it down as well. If you don't have a good adhesive, that works. So my last step is to add some of these gold bubbles on top of the card. I used some of these for shakers too inside, and then I just wanted to add some more on top of it too, just to give it a little bit more shine to the card. So there is my card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to click the link to get to the next Tags of Inspiration Hop video. And I will have that listed below right in the description, the first thing. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to Trinity Stamps YouTube page along with our Facebook page, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation, for more crafty fun. If you enjoyed this video, also please be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.